Superman, Henry Cavill speaks out amid claims he's done in DCEU, big clue he's staying? Superman star Henry Cavill may have dropped a big hint that he's not done with the role after all. Yesterday it was reported that the actor was on the way out at DC and Warner Brothers, amidst reports of his new high-profile roles and the disappointing performance of Justice League and Batman vs Superman. The Hollywood Reporter broke the news that talks had broken down for a Cavill cameo in the upcoming Shazam movie, and he is now set to walk away amid a big shake-up to the DC Extended Universe. Superman is like James Bond, and after a certain run you have to look at new actors, a studio source told the US publication. But has Cavill now hinted all is not as it seems? In a cryptic Instagram post late last night, he published a video captioned, "Today was exciting number Superman." In it, he can be seen in a Krypton lifting team video, wielding an action figurine of himself. All innocent enough, but the timing of the post as his name was trending worldwide as a result of the exit rumors cannot be ignored. Is this excitement over the role a sign that he's staying? Indeed, a Warner Brothers spokesperson told THR after their report was published yesterday, "We have a great relationship and great respect for Henry Cavill that continues to remain unchanged. Additionally, we have made no current decisions regarding any upcoming Superman films." Whilst that isn't a flat-out denial of the allegations, it certainly implies that the end of Cavill's tenure is far from a done deal. In any case, Cavill has lots on his plate. He's recently signed on to lead the Netflix series The Witcher, and he went down a storm over the summer in the latest Mission Impossible installment. The DCEU has struggled to find its footing compared to Marvel's MCU. To date, Wonder Woman is the only universally successful film they've made, with others struggling in terms of critics, the box office, or both. Aquaman is the studio's next output, due this December, and Shazam follows next year. Wonder Woman's much-hyped sequel is also due, while the state of the planned The Batman movie remains unclear, and Ray Fisher has admitted that a Cyborg standalone picture is also up in the air. Ezra Miller's The Flash movie is still expected to shoot next year.